Hi again. As promised, here's a closer look at the Naval Academy Bridge. All those nice houses on the other side of the Severn have incredible views of the Naval Academy. And you might recall a couple of my characters lived there. Jack from The Seal's Best Man and Mason from BFF'ed. And actually the book that I'm currently writing has a character that lives on that side of the Severn too. And there you see just another reason I love the boating community of Annapolis. We always wave to each other. Since I have so many scenes where characters are driving over the Naval Academy Bridge, I thought I'd take you over there as well. It was a really windy day and I nearly lost my phone. You can see the Naval Academy on the other side. Thanks for watching.